Oseo, Stewie, Dalvadon. There are a lot of traditional turkey games that are around here, but the one that I highly take to and what's the most important to me and my family is stickball. I can remember my first stickball game. I was scared to death, but I had fun with it. Just running around being a little kid playing stickball, and that was the best thing ever because it promotes a lot of exercising. You're trying to pick up a little ball, you got hand-eye coordination going on, and it's just important to that because that's how we made our warriors back in the day. That's how they came up. And passing that on is just for the younger ones to pass it on to theirs. It's like with my girls, I made sure they were going to know the culture, they know the history, make sure they know where the ball game came from. We'll go outside and mess around, throw the ball around, try to teach them how to throw. We go on walks around the house or on the road, show them nature, teach them different things. It's all about just going back to passing everything on. If you had it, pass your knowledge on and get your kids out, be active. Family time's the most important thing, and that's how you can pass stuff on. Because the younger ones, they'll listen. You just gotta talk.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Ganyiki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribal Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujebi, Ta, Torigun.
Today we're making citrus fruit water. For this recipe you will need 16 ounces of water, a half of an orange, and a half of a lemon. Start by cutting the orange and lemon into wedges. Cut each fruit in half and then each half into 4 wedges. Always be sure to wash produce before prepping or eating. Next, squeeze the fruit into the pitcher. You can add a couple wedges to the pitcher also. Water is one of the 4 basic elements, along with earth, fire, and air. The Otoe word for water is ni. Many tribes relate to water as a source of life. Like our ancestors, we continue to drink water today. It is a sacred element for physical and mental well-being. From the brain to the joints to digestion, water is essential for all of our body systems to function properly. Add water to the pitcher and stir to combine. Change it up. Sweeten it by adding strawberries or blackberries. Try grapefruit or lime in place of the orange and lemon. All citrus fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, a nutrient that strengthens the immune system and skin. This recipe makes about 2 1-cup servings. Serve chilled. The flavors will infuse into the water over time. Enjoy!